How to use Uber One for free delivery. First of all, the Uber One membership automatically unlocks a zero delivery fee on eligible food, grocery, and retail orders. Once subscribed, the benefit applies seamlessly at checkout without needing to enter any promo code. So, first of all, to subscribe to Uber One, open your desired browser on your device. Tap on the search bar, then type in Uber One. Now, once the official site is loaded, all you have to do is tap on this. From here, proceed to sign in to your account. Then tap on this Try It Now option, where you will find all their plans over here. Simply select your desired plan, then tap on your payment method to add in your desired payment method, such as credit card or even debit card. Once you're done, tap on this Try for Free option. Then you will be member for Uber One, which will automatically enable you zero delivery fee on Uber Eats. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.